Development of machine learning based advanced driver assistance systems ADAS. Nowadays almost all new cars are adopting this ADAS system. So this is a very good project for final year capstone project for electrical electronics and computer science students. Mainly the problem definition is the vehicle safety system using machine learning helps in minimizing the traffic accidents by developing the driver assistance system for security. The proposed work reads the traffic signboards, recognition of fog level, and the lane and the curve detection for driver assistance system. The main job of the project is to read and detect the traffic signboards in the real time to classify among prohibitory, mandatory, and warning signboards, to detect fog levels in the real time, to detect curve and line detection, and to generate appropriate alarming and driver assistance system. So you can see the algorithm for the main project. Though you have an input as your camera, from the input whatever the images are drawn, so those images been pre-processed and the edge detection is being done. So basically this project is classified into three main steps. One is sign detection, means it has to detect the signboards. In the signboards there are three different types of signboards, so it has to detect which one it belongs to, which class it belongs to, and it has to generate an audible sound and the visual text in the driver's display system. The second one is lane and marker detection. So as we go across the highways, there are lines are there. The camera has to detect the line. If at all any curvings are there, so it has to properly guide the driver for lane detection system. The third one is the fog recognition system. So where the based upon the images taken from the camera, it has to detect the fog level, whether it is a high, low, or densely fog is there. So, and in all the three outputs, it has to generate an audible sound and a visual text in the driver's display. So basically, it uses a machine learning algorithm. Okay, it comes with various sources into one. The data whichever comes from the camera, it comes into the one storage. The task of machine learning algorithm is to sort that data and label it according to the setting. Means, so whether it belongs to the fog detection or lane detection or it is a signboard detection. So it has to label it and it has to send it for further processing. Look for patterns in the data. Okay, sorted data is translated into usable insights. So means, so whatever the kind of data is there, it has to pre-process and the data, and it has to process and it has to classify that data, and it has to transform that into the audible or the display text. So insights are used to enhance the optimize the processes. You can see the first system, traffic signboard recognition. In that one, as I told already, so there are three type of uh, boards are there. So prohibitory boards are there, mandatory boards are there, and warning boards are there. So means, so warning is there, so whether u-turn is there, humps is there, such normally what happens is such warning system normally we ignore while going across the roads. So this particular system, it has to detect that if at all any warning system is there, so it has to, well before the time, it has to take the image and it has to process the image and it has to classify that image, and it has to tell that it is a warning type of message, okay, mandatory type of message, or a prohibitory type of signboards are there. The algorithm is given here. So you can see that, so the left side we have the images, trained images. In the right side we have detection is being done. Say for example yellow is there and green is there. Okay, you can see that. So prohibitory, mandatory, and warning boards are there. So here warning boards are also there and some prohibitory boards are also there. So it has to indicate that in red, yellow and green colors. So coming to the fog level detection, you can see that, so it has detected the fog as the dense fog after the training is been done. The algorithm is given here. The third type is the lane detection. You can see that in the output, as for the your block diagram, it has detected, and it has indicating the, so driver for coming up, any lane curvings are there. So software requirements are there, or basically you can use the MATLAB or the Python software. You can have the Google Colab, Pascal Visual Object Classes leveling tools for leveling, YOLO for detection, the detection of the image, Google Colab for training of the image. So Pascal VOC is also there. It is also used for labeling the trained data. So by using these particular softwares, you can easily implement this particular project quite successfully, and you can develop a advanced level ADAS system. Basically what happens is, fog detection is not being done in any of the vehicles in the present market. Only lane detection is being done. Fog level is not being detected, and the detection of the signboards is not been done in any of the advanced level of cars like BMW, Audi and all. So this is one thing where you can enhance the capacity of your project. Thank you.